Welcome to our channel. Ludwig here, and this time we are at the Melbourne Zoo, which is a mere 4 kilometres or 2.5 miles away from the Melbourne CBD. The zoo was opened in 1862 and is the oldest zoo in Australia. It features over 5,000 animals. During the video, I'll point out where some of the enclosures are and the animals that reside there and any points of interest. Thank you. Here we go. This is the main entrance to the Melbourne Zoo. Here we have the zoo carousel. It was built in England in 1878 and arrived at the Melbourne Zoo in 1963. This is where the meerkats hang out. The lemurs hang out in this area and the gorillas are nearby as well. In this location we have the giant tortoises, the bush turkeys and red pandas. In amongst the trees we have treetop apes and monkeys and the pygmy hippopotamuses and the mandrills. This is the elephant and baby elephant enclosure. This is the giant flight aviary. And this is where the koalas, zebras and giraffes hang out. In the next 2 locations you'll find the Tasmanian devils, wombats, emus and of course the kangaroos. Here we have the reptile enclosure, and just to the left is a picnic pavilion. This is the Lakeside Cafe and Bistro for your morning brunch or lunch. This is where you'll find the penguins and the seals. Next is the Discovery Centre for school kids on excursions. This is where the bears hang out, and with the lions and the big cats nearby also. Coming up is the rail gate entrance. This is the second entrance to the zoo. There is a tram stop right out the front, and it's the number 55 tram you'd have to catch. If you're coming by train, you'll have to catch the upfield train line, and also make sure you get off at the Royal Park train station, which is just opposite the entrance there. We have the orangutan enclosure here on the left, and just in front of that is the zebras and giraffes once again. The stadium coming into view now is Princess Park and home of the Carlton Football Club. Next coming into view is the Melbourne General Cemetery. And finally coming into view is the Royal Children's Hospital. Great job piloting, Alexander. Thumbs up.